Exactly.
Yeah.
But it's my lights. I still got to get my lights hooked up in all my buildings. All my buildings will light up once it's all said and done.
Really, really. No, it's like, it's fascinating. It's like a fascination.
Yeah.
You know, it's like I'm trying to think of the word I want to use. It's like
To me,
an imaginary,
exactly.
like, different life. Like, I can be in those buildings.
Exactly.
Or I can be there. And
It's relaxing to me, believe it or not.
I'm still crazy with Chinese anyway, just the fact that they're still around with old transportation.
Oh yeah. But you know, it's one of those deals that I just wanted to make sure you guys understood that it's going to be the stuff that I got is going to be well taken care of.
Oh, we know that. We're okay with that. Like you said, we just wanted to go to somebody that could enjoy it.
Well, I'm going to enjoy it.
We didn't want it to go to somebody that was going to try to destroy it.
No. I struggle to try to get everything I can get my hands on. And I found out a buddy of mine, I was talking to him a couple days ago, and he's still digging around, but I guess he's got a whole buttload of track.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And I'm telling you right now, if I can get my hands on that, we're going to have some fun.
Well, I'm interested in seeing it because I didn't even go through all the boxes like you did. See what was there. I liked all the little figurines and stuff.
Oh yeah, I got
like
yep.
it's like a dollhouse.
Exactly.
As a girl.
Yep.
You know.
Gotta have your people.
Yeah.
If everything turns out right, I think it's gonna be on this end. I'm gonna have another mountain, but it's gonna have a waterfall going down.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, that'll be awesome.
Oh yeah. It just it comes down to just use your imagination.
Oh, you got the Budweiser bar over here.
Exactly.
Look at this bar stool. Look at Budweiser.
Well, if you can pardon the kind of the mess, come here and I'll show you. You think that's bad?
Oh, good Lord! Oh my God! Because I wanted to go, but you know, like you. But Bobby, you gotta go look at his room.
Okay. The bud room?
Yeah.
That part of nothing.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's one of those,